Okay, it's my first competition. I'm pretty excited. I think we're gonna do pretty good, and I think we're gonna win.
Talk about how James smells.
And James smells, apparently.
So that last match was kind of bad. Our schedule was really bad. SEH, Mustangs, and Metal Moose against a crying baby. They just murdered us. That was not fair. Mic drop.
Hi, I'm Dominic. I've been playing Minesweeper. The auto's messed up. I don't know.
All right, so we found the new strat. Cybersonics did. So we're gonna put algae in the processor, and when the human player goes to throw the algae, Cybersonics will literally deflect it with their elevator, and we will have 6 points instead of 2. And it's about to be lit, I tell you. Now we should have actually good matches, though. Hopefully. We won't be Alliance 1, though.
So basically, right, we were sandbagging. So that surrogate match proved our real potential, and I think we're going to keep sandbagging from here, maybe. We might win a few just to, look better in the rankings, but we know who we are, and everyone else knows who we are, too. We're the greatest because I'm here.
All right, so as the professional that I am from afar, I can tell you that the Krypton Cougars are going to win this off-season competition 300-0. They're going to have, it's going to come down to a 1v1. They're going to backflip into the cage.
So, we just got done with Alliance selection, and we are on Alliance 4 with 316 and 5401, which I'm quite happy about. I think it's a really good alliance, and I'm excited to see playoffs. And we're all really tired, but we're gonna power through because we're gonna win, maybe.
I was really hungry, but we're gonna do great. We're gonna do so good, and we're gonna win. Yeah, it's been a pretty productive day.
Yep.
So we're here at Ramp Riot, we're having a great time, we're on 341, we were picked to the first Alliance by 74-14, and we just won the first match against Alliance number 8. We're also been really impressed with what 2539 has been able to field, their OP clone. We think it's super impressive, we're definitely looking up to it. They're playing right now, but they just had to field fault actually, so we're gonna see how that match goes. Very lucky for them, by the way, because their Alliance partner, 5401, flipped over an auto, so now they have a second chance at it. I mean, did you see what happened there, Kevin May?
Yeah, it's pretty awful.
It was pretty awful, but now they have a second chance, and they're gonna go hit that match again, I'm sure, with some renewed intensity and vigor, and they're gonna win, I'm sure.
All right, so how do you guys feel that last match went?
I was there. We got saved by a field fault, I'm not going to lie. But we're cooking. Next match, we're doing better.
Yes, I agree.
Thank you guys for your time. I also feel the same.
Okay, this is the inflatable dragon costume that we set right next to that yellow trash can over there. Okay, right over there. We set it down and we called it a day. He was gonna put it on during the finals. Okay? We set it, I hate you. Anyways, we set it down and then we leave it there. We don't look at it for a while. We look back, just 3 hours later, it's gone. Completely gone. We don't know where it is.
Okay, Our next match is up next. We won the first two. We're doing pretty good so far. Hopefully we keep doing good.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
How do you feel about the results of the latest match?
Yeah, I think it was great. It's really been awesome to see the alliances kind of coming into their own. You know, I think it's really impressive to see how all of these teams have kind of figured out the best way for all of them to work together and figuring out their strengths, right? You have a lot of these teams coming in and maybe they focus on coral or maybe they focus on algae, and seeing them be able to sort out what actually makes the most sense for them has been really impressive.
And what are you hoping to see in the future matches, and like what are you looking forward to?
That the 3 versus 4 match, I think it was, that was crazy. That level of excitement is what I want to see for the rest of the matches, which I think we're gonna get it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
What about our last match?
Our last match was like a really close one, and it got us to the finals, so we're super excited that we're there.
Yeah, it's super exciting. First time driving. Yeah, I mean, I made some mistakes. Could definitely do a little bit better, but let's go.
Let's go.
Big Cat Derek. Big Cat Derek.
Yep. Yeah. All right. Hi, everyone. I'm here with my smelly friend Jace.
Hey.
So I told y'all we're the GOAT. We just came back from lowest ranked alliance to going to finals on the sofa bracket. I don't think anybody would have predicted this, except me, of course, because I'm the GOAT. Let's get a little thing from Jace here.
Yeah, I mean, we just brought our A game for real.
Okay, no.
Oh my. We're the best.
We the best music, DJ Khaled.
25.
39.
Okay, so we just came back from Ramp Riot. We're still at a Ramp Riot, actually, but Ramp Riot just ended. As you can see behind us, everybody's cleaning up the field. It's a real group effort. We're very proud of all the teams that are come here to help. And so, yeah, we're excited. We got a lot of stuff to give away, a lot of algae and stuff like that, and it's the last match of the year for a lot of these teams in FMA. So I think it's just a really great way to wrap it up.
Yeah.
So how did Krypton end up doing, James?
Finals were pretty great. We unfortunately kind of got scrambled like an egg and folded like an omelet. But besides that, it went pretty good. Remember to plug in your limelights. That's always important.
Very important.
I'd say you should do that. And at some point, you should just consider giving up. That's my advice. Just give up.
Well, despite the ultimate, loss in the finals tiebreaker, finals number 3, I think you guys, Krypton, should be extremely proud about the robot they built. It takes a lot of, oh shit.